Welcome to Anil TV channel. Today's our topic is future tense. So future tense are of four types: simple future, future continuous, future perfect continuous tense. So today we will discuss about simple future. So here the simple future, these tense denotes an action which takes place in future. So here the structure is subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object plus complement. Here example is we will know our exam results in May. So here subject is be. So here we should use our will or shall. So here we can use will or shall. We know our exam results in May. So here know is a verb. So here next one is I will go to Mumbai next week. So these are example of the simple future. So next is future continuous tense. Here we use this tense when we talk about something that we have planned to do in future. So here whatever we have our goals, that all comes under future continuous tense. So here the structure subject plus will or shall plus be plus V1 plus inform plus object plus complement. So here I shall be going to Vijayawada at this time tomorrow. Or another example, she will be writing her exams tomorrow at this time. So this all comes under future planning. So in this it comes under future continuous tense. Future perfect tense. This tense denotes an action which will be completed by certain time in future. So here structure subject plus will or shall plus have plus V3 plus object plus complement. Here example, they will or shall, we can use will or shall. So they will or shall have played their match by 5 p.m. tomorrow. So next example, she, we can use will or shall. Okay, have completed. Here complete is present form, verb form. So here completed her education by 2023. So here next future perfect continuous tense. This tense used for action which will be in progress over a period of time that will end in future. So here structure subject plus will or shall plus have been plus V1 plus inform plus object plus complement. So here example, we will or shall, we can use will or shall have been teaching for 20 years next May. So here what it means, so the teaching completes by the 20 years for next May. So here next example, he shall or will have been building a house by next month. So this comes under future perfect continuous tense. Thank you.